I recently generated 385 leads for one of my clients, and we were able to close 26 sales of a 25,000 naira product. This video is a practical case study of everything I did and how you can replicate this for your Facebook lead generation campaign. The purpose of every lead generation campaign is to make sales. We want to sell either a product and service, and not just any kind of product or service, a validated product or service that people are willing to pay money for it. In this case, we're selling a 3-in-1 course bundle. Once you are certain about the product and service you want to sell, the next thing you want to do is to create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is just like an appetizer, a pre-meal before the main meal. The best lead magnets answer these 3 questions. First, is this valuable enough? Would I pay at least $10 to $15 for this lead magnet? Because you are giving out something for free does not mean you should just give out anything that is not valuable. A lead magnet is like a window to your main product. You have to get it right, make it valuable. The next question you need to ask yourself about your lead magnet is this actionable? Can this be applied in the next 48 to 72 hours? Your lead magnet has to be useful to your target audience. There's no need creating something that they cannot use just because you want to give out something for free. So make sure it is actionable enough. And finally, simplicity. Is this simple enough for your target audience? You have to make your lead magnet simple enough that even somebody either in junior secondary 1 or junior secondary 3 can go through it and understand it. For our lead generation campaign, the lead magnet we used was a live workshop. Took out one of the modules in the course and taught it as a workshop, and we could easily charge 5,000 naira for that workshop. So make sure your lead magnet is valuable enough, it's actionable, and also it is simple enough. If you've been with me long enough on this channel, you will know that there's something I usually say. People don't just buy your products and services, they buy the offer behind your product and services. So you have to give them a good offer that looks out for their best interest. For us, it was a 3-in-1 bundle course for a price of 1. Also, we have other free stuff we're adding to the course bundle to make it valuable and irresistible for our target audience. Let's look at the lead generation funnel. One of the ways to run a successful lead generation campaign is to have a sales funnel, a lead generation sales funnel. So this is the sales funnel framework. Here we have the Facebook and Instagram ads. Once people click on our Facebook and Instagram ads, we send them to an opt-in page. This is where they're going to give us their name, their number, and their email. Once they have submitted those details, they are redirected to a webinar or workshop we play page. After the workshop, we have 2 buttons on that page. The first button sends them to contact us on WhatsApp. Once they contact us on WhatsApp, immediately we get on a call with them and close that sale. When someone with an iBuying intention contacts you, you want to try and close that sale when you're on the phone with them. Then the other option sends them directly to the other page where they can pay for the course without directly contacting us. I shot a video showing you how to create a sales funnel for your WhatsApp ads. Most of us use WhatsApp to run ads. This is the thumbnail of the video. I'll also leave the link to the video in the description of this video. So go and watch that video to understand how to create your WhatsApp sales funnel. One of the most important things that will help you run a successful ad is your ads creative. The secret to creating ads that will perform well is to create multiple ads. Create multiple ads and then test. You cannot limit your ads to just one ad creative. You have to test multiple ads to find your winning ads. For this lead generation campaign, we tested 2 videos, 2 static ads, and 1 carousel. We had a total of 2 winning ads. The first one was a short video of about 60 seconds, and the second one was a static advert. I'm not going to share so much details about the ad creatives. If you want me to help you develop winning ad creatives, hire me for a day and we can do that. Check the link in the description of this video on how you can hire me for a day. Ad setup. This is the Facebook Ads Manager. So I'm going to come here and click on Create. We're running a lead generation campaign, so I'm going to select leads. Click on Continue. Manual leads campaign. Click on Continue. So first, we're going to name our campaign. Let's just name it tests. Click on next. We'll start by naming our assets. So I'll just give you the name. Assets. Then the targeting. Conversion location, we're going to select websites. I like generating leads from my websites. Scroll down, make sure you select the right pixel. Then conversion events. Click on leads. Obviously, you already set up your conversion. This is a brand new Facebook ads account, so it is not properly set up. I'm just using this for demonstration purposes. So scroll down and come on budgets. Start with 5,000. We're testing. Start with 5,000 naira. Set our advert to run the next day. Go down. Go down. Come here. Switch to regional audience. You can enter your location. I'm targeting Kenya of Nigeria. The age range. Obviously, you should know all this. You should know the age range of your customers. For this particular asset, we are using broad targeting, so I'm not going to use anything here. Broad targeting is the same thing as zero targeting. I'm not going to use anything here. As you can see, the estimated audience size is 2.8 million to 3.3 million. So let's say I'm just targeting just women. Try to reduce that to at least 1.3 to 1.6, that's fine. So I'm not going to include anything here. We are using zero targeting or broad targeting. Placements, manual placements. Always test one platform at a time unless you are running a retargeting adverts. So just going to use Facebook here. All things are right. Click on next. This is where the magic happens. Just name your advert. Since we are using broad targeting here, we are going to let our ad creatives, our ad copy, call out our target audience. This is why you should spend a lot of time in crafting your ads creatives. They are very, very important. So for broad targeting and zero targeting, we are going to allow our ads creative to do the targeting for us. All I need to do is to come here, pick the page, create the advert. I mean, you know how to do all these things. Upload the advert and upload your images. Insert the link to your landing page. Add your image. Add your ad copy. Add your call to action. Insert the landing page link here. And that's it for the first targeting. So what you need to do is to come here and duplicate original campaign, duplicate just one. Now under this asset name, we are going to use interest targeting. User websites, make sure the pixel is selected. Also make sure the conversion event is right, which is lead. The daily budget is okay. So we'll scroll down. Can come here and edit, change the location from Ikeja, let's say, at the whole of Lagos State. On this particular asset, we are going to target our customers using interest targeting. So let's say I'm selling fashion accessories for women. So what I'm going to do is to come here, type in fashion fashion accessories. I'll select that. I'm going to add one more, which is engage shopper. People who have clicked on the call to action button shop now in the past week. So I'm just going to add this as the behavior. So interest and behavior. Scroll down. Every other thing remains the same. Every other thing. All you need to do is to come here, upload either a video or an image or whatever you're selling. The first one is broad targeting. The second one is interest targeting. And the last one now will be the advantage plus targeting. So I'm going to come here and duplicate original campaign, just duplicate once. Scroll down, keep going. Now, under audience, you are going to come here, click on use advantage plus audience. Scroll down, we're going to remove this because you are using advantage plus audience. We're going to remove all this. Scroll down, come here, select advantage plus placements. Just allow Facebook do what they know how to do best. Don't bother yourself. Leave the job for Facebook. This is the purpose of this targeting, advantage plus targeting. Just let Facebook do their job. Once you've confirmed everything, go to your ads, set up your advert and add your ads creative. The purpose of setting up your advert this way is to test. Once you are done with this, publish the 3 ads and the 3 ad sets. Test your advert for at least 48 to 72 hours. Just like I said earlier, the secret to finding and creating adverts that will bring you a lot of sales is for you to test. How were we able to close 26 sales? We use a combination of WhatsApp messages, emails, and phone call. Nigerians are very unique. So for you to make sales and for you to get them to buy your product, you need to have a reliable follow-up system. If you don't follow up with Nigerians, they're not going to buy. It's not just Nigerians. Everybody's like that all over the world. To have multiple sales touch points to make more sales for your product and your services. And that's a wrap. I'll see you in the next video.